Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a color grading tutorial on how to create Moody green tone using VN Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN Video Editor app on my mobile phone. And then I'm going to open up a project I have just created. This one, I'm going to open up this project and I'm going to create Moody green tone for this video. Okay, before it guys, I'm going to split my video so I can show you before and after editing. Okay, and then we can go to the filter menu and select the retro category. You're going to scroll all the way to the right until you find retro. Then you can choose retro 3 or R3, and then I'm going to click on the check mark, and then we're going to do adjustment. So I'm going to go back to the filter and select adjust, and you can follow my adjustment. Okay, let's start with the exposure. I'm going to make it -25, and then for the contrast, I'm going to make it +33. Okay, and then for the brightness, I'm going to make it -16. Done. And then move to the saturation. I'm going to make it +15. And then we're going to move to the temperature. For the temperature, I'm going to make it +13. Okay, and it's done. This is for the result, guys. Okay, this is after I applied the Moody green tone, and this is before the editing. You can see the difference, right? The Moody green tone in this video looks more cinematic and more dramatic. Okay, you can see the difference here. And then if you want to save your video, you can go to the save icon right here, and then you can let's see, okay, you can go to the manual to select the resolution and VBS, and once you're ready to export it, you can click on export, and then the video will be exported to your device. Okay, the video was the Moody green tone in VN. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.